Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at Peter's saw. He's from New Hampshire. Look how clean that 359 is. That's a vintage saw. And he wanted to make that a test chainsaw, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. So I had the cylinder machine decked, did the porting on it, changed the timing, and changed the exhaust on it. I just got a little mini bar here, no chain on it. We'll fire it up and do a couple of test runs on it. Starting right at 14, I'll turn that back down to 13 and disable the saw at the end of the video. If you have any questions on those, there's the information. Start my dash now.